Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In previous session, we have discussed about a couple of activities in storage bucket, so which is upload storage file, read storage file, download storage file, and delete storage file. In today's session, we are going to discuss about write storage file and as well as list storage file. So these are two activities which we are going to discuss on today's session. Let me quickly start. So before that, so what I will do, so I was just going to use, I was just going to comment of the other things so that it will not get a duplicates. So let me command D, perfect, command, okay, control D. Instead of you can just make a, like you can drag and drop a comment out activity and you can drag all this and drop to there. Okay, so you can do anyways. Okay, okay, let me save this. Let me drag our write storage text. Okay, first of all, what mean by write storage text? So, like in upload storage files, you are just creating your particular storage bucket and then you are uploading your file, right? So, if you want to create a file, so from the studio itself, okay. So, in currently in studio, you are going to create a text file and you are going to upload into the storage bucket. Is that possible? Yep. So, is it possible using the write storage text activity? Okay, so let me quickly jump back to the orchestrator part. I hope you can able to see only one file which you have seen yesterday, right? So what I was going to do here, I was going to add a one more file over here along. So I just going to write the text what actually need to be in that particular notepad. Okay, so what I will do, I will just copy the storage bucket name. Let me go here. Let me copy the storage bucket name. Perfect. And then just come here. So this is the test notes which I have already pasted for us. And then so you can keep the particular file name as work agreement. Okay. Okay, super. So let me show you. So what mean by the path? So the path, so which you have seen here, right? Just click here, the full path. Okay. So what actually it will do? So it will create a particular file name in this work agreement, the name of work agreement under the storage bucket, which is employee list, and the text and the data which need to be written at that particular file is employee should work 8 hours per day. Okay, this is the notes. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just save this and then I will just debug. Okay, so what actually it has to do now, so it has to create a file along with this particular note. Okay, this is the thing should be our result now. So let me wait for some times. I hope it is done. Yeah, perfect. So let me go to the orchestrator. Let me refresh. Yeah, perfect, right? So you have added a file which is named as work agreement. Okay, let me download and let me check whether the nodes which you have used over there, it is there or not. Okay, so let me save. So let me click on show in folder and then we can open it as notepad. Okay, right click. So here open it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, yeah. So it is there, right? So what actually we had done, so previously, so we had some data, okay, in our location. Okay, so we have uploaded the file using the upload storage file activity in this employee details. But in this one, so what I had done, so there is no particular text file in your local desktop to upload. Okay, so we have created in the studio directly with the help of write storage text and we have uploaded it. Okay, so looks sound perfect, right? Okay, great. So let me drag the list storage file activity. Okay. So what this list storage file activities will do? So first of all, if we have a couple of files which is under the storage bucket named as employee list, it help you to understand what are the types of text files. So, sorry, what are the kind of files which is inside this employee list. Okay. So what are the files in the sense? So how many files? So what are the names and how many files are there? So around like 10, 20 files and the file name. So it will help you to calculate how many files and what are the file names. It will help you to understand those facts. So for this, input should be storage bucket. Okay. So storage bucket you have to provide here. Let me go here and copy the storage bucket name. Just click on this. Perfect. Just go here, double quotes. Just provide the bucket name. Okay. So and the one more thing, so which is directory, right? So you can see something here called as full path. Okay, full path. So how it looks like? So the particular folder. So how you will be having, right? So the folders. So likewise, it is a full path. Okay. So how the path will have the this particular slash will be there, right? So likewise, in Orchestrator, so it's stated as a full path. Okay. So but it does not have any slashes over there. Okay. So to like to get all those files, what you can do a slash. Okay. And then so you should get the output, right? So from the output only we can see all the like storage files which is inside the particular bucket. Correct. So you can see something called as output here. Just go here, Control K. Just make it as, sorry, storage bucket. Okay, perfect. Okay, there may be typo. Let me correct it. So you can correct it. So if the typo, you can correct it here itself. Okay. Okay, perfect. So this is the variable you have created. You can check over here also once. Yeah, perfect. So what actually will do? So it has a collections of variables. So you can see in the variable panel which is enumerable. So basically you may be seen somewhere like I was showing like creating a enumerable. Okay. So what actually mean by enumerable? So enumerable, which is nothing but it's a collections of data. So it will contain the collection of data. So enumerable is the is in the group of list and the array. Okay. So it helps to support both the kind of data tables, sorry, data types. So enumerable basically it will consist of a list of values. Okay. So here you can see the list of values, right? So it is not a single value which is inside the storage bucket. So inside this employee list storage bucket, it has the list of values, which means employee details, work argument. If something is added, then it is going to be shown in the below. So it was in a list of data, correct? So that's why it is creating as an enumerable storage. So perfect. So we have to view those, right? So usually like if it has a list of data, how will we viewing for each? So drag a for each. Okay, use this particular variable. So which is storage bucket. Okay. So you have to change the data type. Initially, the type argument will be object for all the for each. Okay. So you have to change according to your data table which you are going to iterate inside the for each. Okay. So this is a storage object. Okay. So already it is there here. So let me show you in the browse for activity so that you can also do it. Storage file info. So you can type for you can just click for browse for types and you can select the storage file info. Just click on OK. So what I have done, so in the for each, instead of the type argument as object, I have changed the particular type argument. Okay. So just go to right line, items. So what I need to see here? Okay. So what I need to see here? So what are the list of files inside the particular storage bucket? Correct. So you can give a full path. So what the full path will help you? The full path, okay, the full path will help you to understand what are the text file inside text file, not the text file, the total files inside the employee list. Okay, employee list storage bucket. Let me run this. I guess our execution is done now. Perfect. Let me go here. Okay, let me check in the studio itself. Okay, so you can see the both storage bucket has been in the right line, right? So we are used right line, so you can see the both storage bucket files in this right line. So employee details and work agreement. So these are the two files inside this particular employee list bucket, correct? So using the list storage activity, we can iterate to each and every storage bucket, and you can find how many files over there. Okay, and what are the files over there. So I hope you have got an idea so how to use the write storage files and the list storage file. And these are the activities which is used in the storage buckets. So I guess like you'll be very clear about storage bucket concepts, so how to use it. So what are the types of activities are there? Okay, this is all about the today's session. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.